Short video, we've got a Volkswagen Tiguan. I've got a suspension rattle, and we've got a busted out suspension top, and taking off the anti-roll link, brake caliper, and brake pad wire and the ABS wire. You could take it off here, but this is usually seized up. So the next thing we need to drop off the three studs in the bottom ball joint, out the bolt here in the drive, and lift out the whole suspension from the top to the bottom, and drop it. Hold that again. So as saying there, we have the whole thing came apart there. There's a rattle in it. I just couldn't find the rattle there for a minute, so we'll replace that top, and with all our bits and pieces taken off now. Now just the ball joint now, the three studs at the top. And we have the new part there, bring up there, let's see. So that's our new piece there, and that's what we have to replace. So you got a rattle in your Tiguan on the left side usually. It's a suspension top. It's came apart, and we're going to replace that.